Hi, this is Craig and Celeste, and today we're taste testing this Okrung Tong mango. I believe this is a Thai mango, usually eaten green. I believe there's an Okrung mango and an Okrung Tong, and I don't really remember which one's which. Our camera failed, so you didn't get to see me cut into this the first time. So second round. This has got a really unusual flavor to it.
To me, it's like super sweet with a hint of pininess that's not bad.
It's got a very green flavor to it. When I say that, I mean it's like a grassy type of flavor.
Super sweet.
But it's very sweet, and it's got a texture that's a little more
Gelatinous.
jellied. I was gonna say like gummy.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
I've always liked.
it definitely has. It definitely has a fairly strong piney, grassy flavor, and that doesn't sound good, but it actually is pretty good. It's different. It's different. It's not a very desserty mango. It's more of a grown-up mango.
Oh, see, I think it's super sweet.
Well, it is sweet, but it's not. I don't know. Maybe it's not
like gummy
fruity.
fruit.
Courtney, what do you think?
I'm not a fan.
Not a fan. It's.
To me, it's like a gummy candy. It's not really piney. There's something. There's another word for it other than piney. It's
It
not.
tastes like a pine tree.
Well,
You think it tastes like a pine tree? Or maybe it is piney.
it does have
That's
some
good.
pininess to
Okay.
it. There's definitely pininess, but there's another flavor to me that's it's an herbal flavor.
Yeah.
It's basil-y, maybe kind of a
I was thinking more like a hint of oregano.
something like
It's
that
like
though that's in there. I guess I was calling that grassy,
Okay.
but there's something herby in there.
It's like sweet and savory. I really like it.
Yeah, it's strange. It doesn't taste like a mango, but it's.
And is this the one they eat with sticky rice?
I don't know.
Oh no, but when you
It's
taste
either
it,
Okrung or Okrung Tong.
it tastes like it would go great with sweet sticky rice.
Yeah, I mean it's definitely. I don't know that I would sit down and have a bunch of these mangoes and eat these mangoes till I was full. But as a component with something else, it would definitely go really well.
I would just eat them through.
Really?
I really like them.
It's. I don't know. To me, it's almost more of a curiosity, and the gumminess of it. Gumminess isn't not like stickiness, but like sort of the gelatinous texture of it. Makes it to me more like some other kind of fruit that you would eat.
A little bit like kaimito right near the seeds. That's like the texture of this one. You know, there's
Yeah.
that clear, like gelatinous part near the seeds.
Yeah,
It's got a little bit of that flavor too.
yeah. I definitely, if you get a chance to try one of these, try it. Just because it's so different, it just doesn't. It's not. It's almost like not like a mango experience. It's
Like I would want to plant one of these, but I think I'd be outvoted, and the rest of the family would not.
The pininess is like the most unpleasant part of it to me, but it's not that strong. And I don't mind a little bit of any kind of flavor. People like coffee because it has a little bit of bitterness in there. They don't like the bitterness, but the bitterness plays off the other flavors. And it's kind of like that with mangoes when you have a resinous or a piney flavor. If that's the main tone, it's not good. But if there's just a little hint of it in the background, it really it gives it more flavor profile. And that's kind of what this is with the piney, but not this that alone. It's just a strange mouth experience, and it's good though. It's
Like I remember the first time we tried this mango, we had other mangoes beside it, and this was my favorite out of all of them.
yeah. It's not my favorite simply because I really like a sweet, fruity, citrusy. I like I like PPK and orange sherbet and fruit
Yeah.
punch, and it's not like that at all. But it is good. I would still give it 8.5.
Yeah.
You would probably give it higher than that.
No, I would still
okay.
give it 8.5. I mean, I would still prefer like a coconut cream, but I
Yeah.
like that how different it is.
Yeah.
And yet it's really good tasting to me.
Yeah, and it's good. What would you give it?
Maybe like a 2.
2.
Too mature of a mango.
That's that's a grown-up's mango. Courtney's only 18, so she can't appreciate it yet. Life experience makes you like this. So the best, who's gonna like this best is an old man who's been around. He's had tours of duty in different wars around the world, and he's lived in 6 different countries, and he's old and he's on near his deathbed. He's gonna appreciate this. He's gonna give it a 10.
Or people who've tried like
This
lots
is-
of
this
different
is a-
cultures. Food
This is a
and-
life experience mango. So
Okay.
put the kids to bed, then get out the Okrung Tong. So
Yeah, because you don't want to share it. I think it's good.
they would appreciate it.
No, it'd be wasted.
Kids today. Kids today. Anyway, so that's Okrung Tong. If you get a chance, try it. Just to say that you have, because it's just so unlike any other mango, at least that I've tried, and it's pretty good.
So are we gonna plant a tree?
I'm not opposed to planting a tree. I have to think about it a little bit. I'm not that old yet, but
Yeah, like I'm kind of wanting this and a Bombay and just a
Yeah.
couple of unique mangoes that we don't.
yeah,
Have anything like-
I wouldn't mind that, because it's you know, this last piece. It's pretty good mango. So anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Pick the mango from the tree and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack.